Hello, everybody. I have an assignment for you to do. We've been talking about biodiversity. We've been talking about ecology, how things interact with other things. The abiotic, which is dead or just physical things in our environment, and biotic, which are live organisms or things that had lived before. So I want you to go out with your iPad outside wherever you live, and I want you to make a video. You need to show 5 different combinations of biotic, abiotic that are interacting with each other. It could be 2 biotic, and it could be an abiotic and a biotic. Okay, for instance, the sunlight is abiotic and it interacts and it helps trees and plants to grow. That would be one in your video as you're explaining it. Then there's others. I don't want to give you lots of different ideas, but there's things around you I want you to be aware of. Take your time, go outside, and create a video. You need 5 different interactions between abiotic and biotic or 2 biotic factors in the environment. It can be right outside your door. You could take a walk in the woods. You could go to a park. You can do whatever it is. Wherever you live, you should be able to go outside and find these different things. Now that we know what is abiotic and biotic. If you don't know, then you should review those videos from the last day or two and reread the assignment for today. But your assignment is to make a video outside. Here is mine. I just did something simple. So here we got a tree, right? Here we got a tree, and birds use that tree in the summer for its nest. So there, that's part of an ecosystem. Things are using and helping other things. Okay? And then the snow here, it's not living, but it definitely will melt, provide moisture for the tree, for the grass, for plants. Then we got the sunlight out right now. That sunlight isn't doing maybe a whole lot for plants, but it certainly is warming the air right now, and it's going to be melting the snow, turning that to liquid. Lots of different things that connect with others. That's what we're looking at. A lot of biodiversity. This is just outside of the school. Okay, so you see that video, you kind of get what I'm talking about. But you have to have 5 different combinations. So don't be cheap with it. Do a good job. Do a very good job with it. And put it together on a video to hand in. That's about it. Thanks. Bye-bye.